Hi friends, welcome back to a new video. Today we are gonna edit this image using the free features in Snapseed and Lightroom mobile. In previous video we have corrected the bleach parts of the image using the Lightroom. Please check the card if you didn't see the previous video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now open the photo in Snapseed and go to Tools and select the black and white filter. Here select the dark filter and adjust it. After adjusting, hit right. The photo gone black and white. With the help of masking, we are going to bring back the color of the eye. To extract the edits and the black and white filter and the brush. You can see a invert icon, just click it. Decrease the complete value of the brush. Now zoom in and start erasing the eye. The color comes back right. Try to erase the eye perfectly. Also erase the another eye. After erasing, just check with the help of invert button and I button. Hit the right button and go to menu. Now go to Tools and select the curve. Select the red color in the curve and dragging the mid tones towards upside. The image color is red. Let's go to Edit Track and view edit. Select the curve and the brush. Invert the image and zoom maximum. I am erasing the eye. The eye color gone red. Hit right and go to the menu. Again I am repeating the same step. Go to Tools and the curve, but now the color selected as blue. Increasing the mid-tones, also adding some points in the curve. After adjusting, hit right. Repeat the same step done before. Edit Track and view edits and the curve and the brush. Click on invert icon. Erase the another eye. After perfect erasing, hit right and go back to the menu. Go to Tools and select the details. Adding sharpness to the image because the image is so smooth. If you add some sharpness, the image will be look like perfect. Going to Edit Track and view edit. Selected the details, making the eye sharpness and some other places. Now go to Tools and select the vintage and choose the filter that suits it and adjust it. Don't worry, increase the witness strength completely and let's correct it with the masking. Once again going to Edit Track and view edit. Zoom out maximum and just invert. Decrease the value to 0 and make a touch on the image. And increase the opacity and add some dark where you need. export the image. Once again, open the photo in Lightroom for color grading. First of all, selecting the light menu and making some basic corrections. Go to curve and now just drag the shadow point to upside. Also, make some points like this. Take the screenshot for edit. Now click done. Select the color menu, decreasing some tint and vibrance and adding some saturation. Go to color mix. In red color, decrease the hue a little and increase the luminance about 94. In orange color, dragging the hue to reddish and increase the saturation. And also luminance plus 76. Select the blue color, decreasing the complete hue and saturation about -90. Adding some luminance. Now hit the done button. Now select the effect menu, adding texture, clarity, dehaze. Decreasing the net value to -56. Midpoint 32. Feather around 87. Roundness -7, increasing the highlight maximum. Select the detail menu, adding sharpness around 33. Increasing the noise reduction plus 45. Also color noise reduction plus 15. The photo is ready to export. The final look is here. Thanks for watching.
Favorite Instagram pose.